Can a non-resident legally own and rent property in Canada? Many international investors, expats, and newcomers ask the same question. Can I legally own and rent out property in Canada if I'm not a resident? The short answer, yes, absolutely. Canada allows non-residents to purchase, own, and earn income from real estate without requiring citizenship or permanent residency. But while ownership is permitted, earning income from rental property comes with important legal and tax responsibilities, especially when it comes to dealing with the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. Let's break it down. You don't need to be a citizen to invest in Canadian real estate. Canada has an open door policy when it comes to property ownership. Whether you live in the US, Dubai, China, the UK, or anywhere else, you're allowed to buy residential or commercial property in Canada. There's no law barring non-residents from participating in the real estate market. You'll need valid identification, passport, visa, etc. A Canadian bank account, typically required for payments and deposits, a lawyer or notary to handle the closing and paperwork. Some provinces may require disclosure of your foreign residency status during the purchase process. And you might also face a non-resident speculation tax, NRST, in regions like Ontario and British Columbia. Renting it out, that's where CRA rules kick in. While owning the property is simple, earning rental income from it as a non-resident triggers a separate set of rules under the Income Tax Act, specifically Section 216. By default, the CRA requires a 25% withholding tax on gross rental income, which your tenant or property manager must remit monthly. However, if you file an NR6 form and elect under Section 216, you can instead file an annual return and be taxed on your net rental income after deducting allowable expenses like property taxes, repairs and maintenance, insurance, mortgage interest, property management fees. Filing under Section 216 almost always results in lower taxes, but it must be done correctly and on time to avoid issues. Legal? Yes, but not tax-free. Many non-resident landlords make the mistake of assuming that because they live abroad, Canadian taxes don't apply. That's incorrect. CRA's reach extends to Canadian source rental income even if you're living halfway around the world. Failure to comply can lead to fines and interest charges, denial of expense deductions, difficulty repatriating rental income, delays in future sales of the property due to tax clearance issues. Final word, non-residents can absolutely own and rent out property in Canada legally, but it comes with the responsibility to understand and follow CRA tax laws. Done right, it can be a smart, profitable investment. Need help staying compliant while renting out property in Canada? Call 4116-283-874 or visit theaccountingandtax.com.